Ready to ditch that Polygon USDT for some shiny ETH without leaving your Phantom wallet? Alright, first things first, unlock your Phantom wallet on your phone or browser extension, making sure you have some USDT on the Polygon network ready to swap. Next, look for the swap icon. It usually looks like two arrows, one going each way, and tap on it, which should be located at the bottom in the middle. Now, you'll see the swap interface. Make sure the top token is USDT and that it specifies Polygon. If not, you might need to manually select USDT and ensure it's on the Polygon network. Tap the bottom field to select the token you want to receive. In this case, that's Ethereum. Choose it from the list, making sure you're happy with the asset. Now you can enter how much USDT Polygon you want to swap for. ETH Phantom will automatically calculate an estimate of how much ETH you'll get back and the network fees in real time. So pay attention to the estimated amount of ETH you will receive. Finally, review all the details carefully. And if everything looks good, tap the swap button at the bottom to confirm the transaction. You will have 12 seconds to confirm the details. Your wallet will then process the transaction. This may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on network conditions. And that's it. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see your new ETH balance in your Phantom wallet. Congratulations! You just swapped USDT on Polygon for ETH. See you in the next one.